To run successful business, it is important to plan company income, expenses, and profit or loss. I have created the financial income statement worksheet to project the income, expenses, and profit or loss for its first 7 years. This financial income statement is divided into three main parts or sections. Suppose company manufactures the Android mobile phones. The first section is called income section. It estimates the company income from sales, cost of research and development, and cost of sales and marketing of its Android mobile phones. The second section is called expenses section. It estimates the general expenses of company during the manufacturing and sales of Android mobile phones. The third section is called earnings section. It projects the company total profit or total loss and tax liability. So this worksheet estimates or projects the values of company future income, expenses and profit or loss of first 7 years. So this worksheet estimates or projects the values of company future income, expenses and profit or loss of first 7 years. By using these values, company can plan Android mobile phones manufacturing business, future income or revenue of first 7 years.